everybody, hope you're all well. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to a brand new video, a brand new vlog, and I feel like this vlog's going to kick off autumn with Luke.
Hello.
Here he is. We're in Greenwich today.
I'm very excited to be here. I am.
Oh, it's good to see you. I feel like it's been a little while. We have got a fun day planned today. We're actually in Greenwich, in South London, and we're going to do some photographs.
Yes, we are.
We're down like a side street at the moment. We're actually opposite the Greenwich Theatre, darling.
Yeah.
Have a little look.
Getting wonderful wafts of food.
Yeah, where's that coming from?
I think there's a little cafe just down the road.
Are you hungry?
I had a big breakfast, but now I'm smelling food.
Yeah.
Maybe I am hungry.
Maybe we'll get a little nibble in a little bit. So we've got a few different, we're going to do some photographs, have a little mooch about Greenwich, so we'll take you around Greenwich, and then, where are we off to?
We're going to go to Homesense, people,
yes.
the mothership of autumnal decor.
You might have seen us go there last year.
Yeah.
Was it this time?
Yeah, no, it was. Do you know what it was?
Have we been this year?
I just moved house. Yeah,
Yes.
it was nearly, but maybe by the time this goes live, a year ago.
Yeah.
To the day.
I feel like we blinked and
Where has the year
we
gone?
were sniffing candles. Let's go back and look.
Oh, that's good.
We're off to do it again. This year we'll be wearing masks.
Yeah.
But other than that, it's pretty much the same.
It's a bit trickier, but apart from that, it's still easy. You've got to inhale a bit stronger.
Yeah, it's an autumn tradition, creatures of habit.
Yeah.
So we'll be doing that. I don't think the pumpkin spice lattes are in Starbucks yet, are they?
No, not yet, but I'm sure we can get a little coffee somewhere.
Yeah,
For sure.
we'll put some cinnamon in it or something. Right, we've got photos to do. Do you like the new shirt, by the way? This is the thrifted one.
I am such a fan of this shirt. I kind of want it. Whenever you don't want that.
Oh yeah, absolutely. We'll do a bit of what do you call that?
Clothes swap, is it?
Yeah, there's a word for it.
Oh, what is it called? It's called something. Someone will say in the comments.
Let us know in the comments what
yeah.
it's a thing.
Relove and reshare.
I forgot. Yeah, that's the one. Something like that. I was going to say something else. Oh, I'll link the charity shop haul if you want to see this and other bits that I picked up, and go and have a little look around Greenwich.
Woo.
And then Homesense. Woo.
Autumnal transition.
Very nice. I feel Freya Carrington would be proud of this outfit.
Oh God, she loves all of her neutral colours, doesn't she? God, I do love,
Loving the trends. That's River Island, is it?
Yeah, it is.
Yeah.
It's from last year, but
Very
I'm sure
nice.
they'll have something similar.
Yeah. No, loving that. Bit slow styling.
Thank you, sir.
What are you saying? Huh? Oh yeah, do you want to see?
This is Ewan's work. It's brilliant.
We're quite quick at taking photographs because there's always pressing things to do, like go for a little pint or go and sniff some candles. Look at these berries. I would say I'd sniff the berries, but they don't smell anything, are they? What berries are these then? Do you know?
You know what I found? People on YouTube are so good with that.
Yeah.
I'm terrible with
I don't think they're edible, but you never know. We won't try them.
They'd be lovely in an autumn wreath. Nice.
Oh yeah, autumn DIYs.
Oh yeah.
They'll be coming soon. We're now in the park. Excuse the siren. We're now in Greenwich Park. We're under a horse chestnut tree, which means there might be some conkers knocking about, so I'm keeping my eyes peeled. I don't know if it's too early for conkers, but I feel like actually there is some down here. Luke's just deleting photos because his memory card's full. Let's see if we can find a conker while Luke's doing that. Here we go. Is there one in it? The squirrel had it. There might be one in here. Yay! Oh no!
What's to do?
I don't think it was quite ready. I'm looking for conkers, but this one's got... It's not quite there yet.
I reckon we are so excited for fall. We're like, oh,
Yeah.
I'll be here.
We need the conkers, get the wreaths made. There's another one over here. Oh, here we go. There we are. Do they call conkers something different in the US? Do you have conkers in the US if you're watching from the US? Let us know if you have conkers and if you call them something different. I feel like...
I'm probably not the person to ask about this because I call pine cones acorns.
Oh yeah.
And something, yeah, no. I only learned that jam and jelly and jello are three completely different things.
What's jello then?
Oh gosh.
Uh-oh.
Sure.
Jelly is like
jelly.
jam in the US, isn't it?
Yeah, and their jello is our jelly.
That's right.
And then preserves have fruit bits in it.
And so what's jelly in the US? Oh, that's jam. Yeah.
But without bits.
What's jam in the US? When you're stuck in traffic. I don't know.
People are going to be watching this thinking,
So
what are you
confused.
guys on about?
Yeah, I'm sorry if you've tuned in for some autumnal content and all you're getting is
Jam, jelly, jello.
wrong lessons in the, the language. of the English and the Americans.
Oh gosh.
Completely wrong. Are we now ready to go?
Yes.
We'll take some photos.
Sorry.
Luke's got his new shirt on.
Yeah,
I've got another top on there. Yeah, we've changed.
Our checks on.
Very nice.
Lovely.
Nice and cosy.
Yeah.
We've just been taking some photographs and this guy wants to say hello.
Hello.
He's been in the back of the shots.
Hi. Who do you belong to?
And he's off. In a place called Carrington and Burn or Brine, we're not sure. Anyway, I've got my mask on that says only remove for wine. However, now we've sat down, I'm actually going to remove it for a little coffee. Have a lovely little Americano, splash of milk.
It's delicious. It's just what we needed after shooting.
Oh, it's nice coffee as well.
Thank you very much.
They've got that song on that's on TikTok all the time.
We get
It's
stuck
gonna
in your head.
Yeah. Alright. Luke has just given me this lovely card. I've got something potentially very exciting in the pipeline, which I hope I'll be able to share very soon. And this one just bought me a little bottle to celebrate, which is now in my in my bag. Yeah, absolutely. I don't know why it's not focusing.
Oh,
Naughty camera. Thank you so
Just
much,
a
mate.
splash, dear.
Little splash, dear. And hopefully I'll be able to tell you all about that very soon. Fingers crossed it will all happen. And then there'll be more to share. Thank you, mate. That's so sweet. Different mask on now. So we're about to pop in to the Homesense.
Very excited.
And I'm going to do that as a separate video, so that will be coming soon. And Luke's going to be uploading a Homesense vlog as well.
Yes.
So I'll link that in the description box if that one's up when this goes live.
Thank you very much for it.
We've just been told off for vlogging in store. We're going to carry on. Shh. Oh, that is good. I forgot how nice they are. Chai tea latte. Let us know what your Starbucks or coffee order is when you go out for a little coffee. Do you like coffee? Do you like coffee? Okay, we have stopped for a little coffee. Homesense is done. We'll be a come shopping in Homesense and little cheeky little haul on its way.
Oh yeah.
One over on Luke's channel too.
Thank you.
But next up, we're off to the land where everything used to be.
And I'm seeing amazing value signs in the window, so here we go.
That's what we like. Got a few new bits in the home section that I haven't seen before. I have saved a highlight of all the new homeware over on Mr. Carrington Home, but this is a tassel tea light holder. You've got these plant pots on legs. They're £3, are they? Yeah. It's nice with a little stand. You could turn the stand over.
What do you
So
mean?
it's taller.
Oh yeah, exactly.
Could you?
Yeah.
And they've got baskets with the tassels on as well. £3 each. Big woven baskets for £5. They're decent. Whew. It was rather busy in there. I have recently put a Poundland haul up. I'll link that one in the description box down below, which also has a little look around store as well. So in case you missed that one, that will be down in the description box. Luke's just paying. He's bought a Febreze air freshener that I recommended to him. I've got one in my hallway and it smells amazing. It's just like a little, what do you call it? Not a spray, but a little thing that just smells nice. And it's really good. That's stressful.
Very stressful.
Everything's been stressful.
Very busy.
The Homesense was stressful. Hannah was stressful. This isn't stressful.
No.
Chill out now.
The rain's starting, which is good.
I was just saying that you got one of those air fresheners and
some Dettol antibac.
clean and fresh.
Not very exciting.
And I'm home now and I'm just about to film a haul of everything that I picked up from Homesense. So that video is on its way and that will be coming to you very soon. I'll get that up for you in a few days' time. I have made myself a cup of tea in this new thrifted mug that says Cozy Vibes, and this is a mug from the Zoella homeware range. I think it's a couple of years old. Kate spied this on Instagram and told me that she has this one as well. I thought I recognised it and I think I remember that from Kate's house, but it's a good size this for a cup of tea. which is what I'm having now before I get into filming my other haul. But I've got a couple of other bits to show you. Let's have a quick sip of the tea, and I'll show you some random cleaning stuff, which I think you're gonna like. This stuff's all from Pound Stretcher. I might do a Pound Stretcher shopping video. Are we interested in seeing what's in store? They've got quite a lot of good stuff in the cleaning department, and also some random, which sometimes can be interesting, can't it? So if you fancy a little look in Pound Stretcher, I could do that in a future vlog for you. But first things first, we have a dusting glove. You may have seen my dusting slippers. We now have a microfiber dusting glove to go into my cleaning kit. So these are really handy because obviously you just pop this on, and then anywhere you put your hand, you can give it a little dust. So I can get around the camera now, give you a little dust as well. Just anywhere basically that you've got access to with your hands, so it'd be much quicker, I think. I get in between like bits on the blinds and stuff. So I'll let you know how I get on with these. Let me know if you fancy a clean with me as well. And then some more gloves, but I thought these were really cool. We're going for a bit of ASMR now. What are we thinking? So these are gloves that have a textured kind of, almost like a brush design going on. So it says Scrub Magic silicone gloves. These are multi-purpose for dishwashing, household cleaning, car washing, pet hair and more. I reckon that would be so good at getting up like all the fluff on the carpet, or if you want to clean up your stairs, again, just on the hands. I'll test these out and let you know what these are like. But yeah, I couldn't resist these. They have them in all different colours as well. And I got some jumbo microfiber cloths. So these are huge. Look how big. And again, I thought these will be really handy. So no scrapping about with a small cloth. I'll be able to do like half the floor just by lying that on it and dragging it across. What are we thinking? Comes in 3 different colours. I think that was, yeah, £1.99, which I thought was really good value because these are huge, and I'll be able to obviously pop them in the washing machine as well to get some more use out of them. So a bit of a random haul to finish the vlog on, but I hope you enjoyed the first of the autumn videos. So let me know what you fancy in the coming weeks. Do you fancy some more DIYs? Should we do some home decor? Maybe a little bit of room styling? Maybe some more out and about vlogs. We could go on a little adventure somewhere. Anything you fancy, let me know in the comments down below, and I'll do my best to get those filmed for you. But I'm gonna crack on now, film the Homesense haul, which has a couple of items. It's very short, but that will be in the Homesense Come Shopping With Us video. That will be on its way for you. If Luke's is up already, I'll link it down for you in the description box, and do head over to Luke's channel as well and make sure you subscribe when you do. And don't forget, you can always catch me over on Instagram as well if you don't follow me over there already. It's Mr. Carrington, and also Mr. Carrington Home, where I snap any homeware bargains that I think that you will like. I'll save all those highlights over there for you too. But yeah, I'm gonna finish my tea and crack on with the little haul. Hope you have a lovely rest of your Sunday if you're watching this one on Sunday morning, and I'll be back in the week with the Homesense video for you. So I'll see you then. Thanks for watching. Bye. Lent it in the crack, so to speak. Yeah.
Autumn comes too soon.